Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I am with another tutorial for today. Introducing this stationery, it's a Staedtler Luna pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And I'll be using the Staedtler Luna pencil colors to color my drawing today. The links for all the products are available in the description. You can check there. So we are starting with the drawing. Today we are going to draw a Holi scene. We'll be showing two boys playing Holi. So we'll start with the circle for the face. And first we'll be making the stick figure. So making a standing line there. And a slanting line for the shoulders. Then one more slanting line for one arm. Another slanting line for the other arm. Sleeping line for the waist. The second sleeping line is just to have the position for the knees. So making more slanting lines for the legs. Just look at the lines carefully and you'll be able to draw them. It's very easy. It is the stick figure. Now starting with the other boy. So we have drawn the circle for the face, standing line, and then one sleeping line for the waist. Now again a sleeping line, slanting line for one arm, another slanting line for the other arm. And we'll be making the lines for the legs. So standing line and slanting line. Now again a slanting and a standing line. So we are done with the stick figure for both the boys. Now after this we'll be starting with the final drawing with the pen. So making the curve for the ear, slanting line for the hair, another slanting line. Just look at the lines carefully and you'll be able to draw it. Now we are making some curve and the zigzag lines just around the circle to make the hair. Now outlining the circle to make the face, then the curves for the ear. Now making eyes, so circles for two eyes, a curve, and then again two curves for the eyebrows and a curve for a nose, sleeping line and a curve for the mouth. So we are done with the face of the first boy. Making two standing lines for the neck, curve for the t-shirt. Now slanting, standing, another slanting, coming down till the waist. Again a sleeping line, slanting, joining it with another slanting line, coming down with the standing line till the waist. So we are done with the drawing of the t-shirt. Making a slanting line here, a curved line to show the thumb. Now we are going to show him holding the water gun. So making a standing and a sleeping line for the water gun. So now giving a curve here. And after that giving oval in the front. Now one more curve. Now joining it with a slanting line. Now below we are going to add one more slanting line. And then now we are just making two curves. Now we are making small ovals. This is to show the fingers holding the water gun. So that is how we are going to draw him holding a water gun, then making a slant line for the arm. Now making two curves here just to add some design on the water gun and a circle. Now again a slanting line, a curve, again one more slanting line, one more smaller curve for the thumb, another curve, and just adding few lines in between these curves. Now we'll be making the shorts, a slanting line, sleeping, slanting, then another slanting, sleeping, and a slanting line. Now for the legs we are making two lines, a curve for the shoe, extending the line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line for the socks and one more line for the shoes, and now just doubling the shoe line. Now making a slanting, another slanting, one slanting here, just doubling that around the stick figure, a curve, and just making the drawing of the shoe. Look at the lines carefully. Now one socks line, And after this we'll be starting with the detailing of the other boy. Again starting with the ear. Now making the hair. Just look at the lines carefully. Making the face just around the circle. Now again making zigzag lines and the curved lines for the hair. It is again around the circle that we have drawn with the pencil. Now making the eyes the same way like we made for the first boy. The curves for the eyebrows, nose and the mouth. So we'll be showing this boy holding a bucket. So we'll make the arms accordingly. Again the standing line and the curved lines for the neck. Now we are making the arms. Just look at the lines carefully. We just have to draw around the stick figures. Making the slanting line for the arm. And now making the hand. Now we'll be making the handle of the bucket with the pencil to avoid any mistakes. Now we'll be making the detail of the other hand, which is holding the bucket. One more slanting line and a curve, and just to show the fingers. After this we'll be giving the detail of the bucket, giving the curve of the handle. We are just doubling those lines. After this we'll be making one oval for the top of the bucket. Just doubling this part and giving two slanting lines for the base of the bucket. And now we'll be finishing with the boy, the t-shirt line. Now after this we'll be making the shorts, sleeping line, slanting, slanting, sleeping, and again a slanting line. Again we are going to follow the stick lines that we have drawn. Making the leg and the shoe. Now making the other leg, slanting, standing, standing, and then again joining with the curve and making the shoe. So we are done with the detail of both the boys. Just adding few water drops in front of the water gun and some color inside the water bucket, giving some water effect on the grass. So here we are almost done with our drawing. If you like the drawing, do like and subscribe to my channel, and also give your feedback in the comment section. We are just erasing the pencil lines as those lines were only for our help. And after once we are done with the erasing part, we'll start with the coloring process. If you want me to draw anything specific, anything of your choice, you can just drop me a message and let me know in the comment section. So we are just starting with the skin color in the face. These are the basic colors that we are going to use. And for clothes you can do the same colors or you can do any colors of your choice, that is up to you. So for coloring, just do it in one direction and do not leave any spaces when you are doing the coloring. Hope you are going to like the coloring process. I am using the Stellar Luna pencils here. So the link for this is provided in the video description. You can check them there. This is a very professional pencil colors and they are very smooth to work with. Now in the clothes I am giving the patches of different colors. So you can do the same, or you can put some other colors of your choice. So I have added patches of different colors there. Now doing the orange color in one of the shots. And I'm adding a purple shade in the shots for the other boy. Dark blue in the socks. Now giving the brown color in the other socks. Adding dark purple in the shoes. I am doing the black color here. Adding the dark pink color in the bucket. Then green color for the water. Now I am adding red color in the mouth. Now adding the brown color in the mouth. I'm coloring the water gun with red color. If you want to have a tutorial on the water gun, you can go and check the videos in my channel. There are 2 tutorials for the water gun drawing, and there is recent one. I have uploaded one more in which I have drawn a water gun with a bag. So you can check that one also for the detailed drawing and step-by-step drawing of the water gun. Now I am doing the blue color in the collar for one boy and adding the purple color in the collar of the other boy. Giving the black color in the eyeballs and the black color in the hair. Now I am going to add the dark green color in the base. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. As you all know that I am posting daily. I am coming up with a new tutorial every day. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.